Hi, dear children. Today, our teaching topic is Statistics 4. Ogive curves. The graphs of the cumulative frequency distribution are frequency curves or ogives. Group data are also represented by curve called ogive. Our cumulative frequency curve, as the name suggests. In this representation, cumulative frequencies of different class intervals play an important role. Less than cumulative frequency curve, also called as less than type. Now, greater than cumulative frequency curve, also called as greater than type. An ogive graph is a plot used in statistics to show cumulative frequencies. It allows us to quickly estimate the number of observations that are less than or equal to a particular value. Utility of ogives. An ogive for a frequency distribution displays cumulative frequencies of different class intervals. As such, it helps to find the median and upper and lower quartiles of a distribution. We can draw less than ogive and greater than ogive on same graph. Prepare a frequency distribution table with overlapping class intervals to make the distribution continuous. Method of constructing a less than type ogive curve. Step 1. Draw and mark the horizontal and vertical axis. Step 2. Take the cumulative frequencies along the y-axis and the upper class limit on the x-axis. Step 3. Against each upper class limit, plot the cumulative frequencies. Step 4. Connect the points with continuous curve. Method of constructing more than ogive curve. Step 1. Draw and mark the horizontal and vertical axis. Step 2. Take the cumulative frequencies along the y-axis and the lower class limits on the x-axis. Step 3. Against each lower class limit, plot the cumulative frequencies. Step 4. Connect the points with the continuous curve. Now observe, my dear children, on the board. One table is seen. He asked us to draw less than type ogive. What we have to do? We have to add two more columns to it. Screen. Class interval, frequency 0, 20, 4, 20, 46, 40, 60, 5, 60, 80 is 3, 80, 100 is 2. Now, we have to add one more column to it, less than cumulative frequencies. Now, take first as it is 4 and 4, 0 plus 4 is 4. And 4 plus 6, the second frequency is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 3 is equals to 18. 18 plus 2 is equals to 20. Now, ordered pairs. We have to take, to draw less than type ogive, we have to take upper bound of the class interval and the cumulative frequency. 20, 4. Ordered pairs. These are called ordered pairs. UB, LCF. Here in first row, 20, 4, second row, 40, 10, third row, 60, 15, 80, 18, 100, 20. Now, we have to plot, these are all ordered pairs on the graph sheet. Each point, 20, 4, 40, 10, 60, 15, 80, 18, and 100, 20. Now add a smooth curve from first to second, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth. In a sequential order, you have to connecting with a simple smooth curve. A more than ogive can also drawn by considering more than cumulative frequencies or greater than cumulative frequencies for the class intervals. The cumulative frequency table more than type ogive in the above example will be as below. Class interval 0 20 4 20 46 40 65 60 83 80 102 greater than cumulative frequency. Now in this we have to add from down to top. What is the frequency down to? 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16 and 16 plus 4 is equals to 20. Now ordered pairs. Lower bound, comma greater than cumulative frequency. 0, 20, 20, 16, 40, 10, 60, 5, 80, 2. Now, plot all these points on the graph sheet. Observe carefully on the screen. Locate 0, 20, 20, 16, 40, 10, 60, 5, 80, 2. Now, you just join from first to last sequentially. Yes, this curve comes down. Yes, it came down. In those two graphs, if we draw on the same graph sheet, it will be look like this. And we can find the median from this less than and greater than type ogives also. Observe. From the intersecting point of two ogives, we have to draw a perpendicular to x-axis and perpendicular to y-axis. That perpendicular to x-axis, where does it meet? On the number scale, that is median of the data. Median. Thank you, my dear children.